What's up, everybody? My name is Josh and welcome back to another episode of the Driveway Detailer. On today's video, I will be trying out a brand new, or at least new to me, pre-foam cleaner. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this is my wife's van. It's her daily driver, and as you can see, it is pretty neglected. And it has some dirt. And you can especially see it here on the rear of the car, especially here where the license plate is. You can see all the dirt around it. So if you watch my built hamper video, I've been trying to find a way to pre-treat stains and dirt and things like that, because while I love Adams polishes and everything they've done for me, because I started out, when I started doing proper car washing, I started with mostly Adams polishes, and so Adams polishes will always have a special place with me. But like with Megafoam, I am not convinced that it can tackle the tough jobs. I don't know if it's because it's pH neutral or whatever. It just won't do it. So for the last little while, I've been trying to find a solution to how I can get my pre-treat before the contact wash just a little bit better. So I found another product that I'm going to be trying today. So this is Yum Citrus by Yum Cars. I saw a video where a detailer that I really enjoy watching used this, and it seemed to work pretty good. I'm not going to butcher his name, or at least I'll try. It's Vermiji, Vermiji. He used this in a video a few weeks ago, and it seemed to work pretty good for him. So I thought I'd try it out. It says it's, like it says here, strong, concentrated, water-based, multi-purpose cleaner that is specifically designed to remove and dissolve dirt, grease, grime, and bugs from the vehicle, which is what I'm looking for. So the instructions are pretty simple. Rinse the car, spray on Yum Citrus, foam it, rinse it, and then your car should be ready for a contact wash. So that's what I'm going to do, and we're going to try it out and see how it goes. So I'm ready to pre-treat. So the instructions on the vehicle were to rinse the vehicle, then spray the vehicle with Yum Cars, then go immediately into foam, and then let the foam dwell, and then rinse it off. So that's what I'm going to do. So it is a few days, probably about a week since I recorded this video, and I didn't realize that the mic that I was using, the battery died, and so I lost the audio for the rest of this video. So I will try to narrate it the best I can. This clip is just me following the directions on Yum Cars, rinsing off before I spray on Yum Cars. The rinse is over. Now it's time to apply Yum Cars. Just as a side note, there are dilution instructions for Yum Cars, but for my first use, I thought I'd try it straight just to see if it would work straight. After applying Yum Cars, I went straight into foaming using my brand new active foam cannon. The key is to not let Yum Cars dwell. Go straight into the application of the foam, which is what I did. After applying the foam, I just let the foam dwell on the paint like I normally would for any other detail. So this is my first time using a chemical pre-treat in conjunction with a foam to clean the paint before the contact wash, and you can see how effective it is. Cars, in combination with the Adams Megafoam, is doing a really good job encapsulating the dirt on the paint and letting it run off the paint and off the vehicle. I really love seeing the dirty foam on the ground because it really shows how much dirt is being pulled off the paint. That's really important for the contact wash, because less contaminants on the paint means less of a chance to leave swirl marks on the paint. This clip is the best clip at demonstrating the effectiveness of using cars and a foam to encapsulate and pull dirt off the paint. I rinsed the foam off camera, and this is the result. As you can see, the paint came out looking pretty clean, but definitely ready for contact wash, because I was positive that I had gotten as many contaminants as possible off the paint, and the paint was safe for contact wash. To show how effective cars was, I'll put a picture of what the rear hatch looked like right here. So that's it for my video on Citrus. I'm really impressed by this product, and I'm definitely going to keep it around for future details. If you enjoyed this product, or if you're interested in this product and you want some for yourself and you live in the United States, I will leave a link to the Clean Garage in the description down below. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please leave this video a like on your way out, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next one.